So yun guys, naglalakad kami ngayon papuntang Sanctuary of Truth. Bale, makikita ito sa Pattaya. From dito makikita mo na talaga, oh, lapit. Mamaya i-zoom natin guys. So yun guys, zoom na natin. Ayan, makikita natin dyan. May mga part na faded na siya. Pero yung iba talagang may mga kulay pa. In-stain lang ata to. Grabe yung detail, oh. Paano kaya ginawa yan? Grabe. Napaka-perfect.
साहिब सीधा करो अने
ऐसे चला देगा
pasok na kami di babababal
ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇನ್ನೇನು
Guys, pababa na kami. Ayan, kailangan mong magsuot ng hard hat para sa safety mo kasi baka may hulugan ka ng malaking kahoy.
engineer I'm the engineer of this place Charis.
We are waiting for you here. Now no need to make the line anymore. We go together. I will provide you about the information and direction to the museum, okay? Meanwhile, just wait for the other first, alright? When you come, take one helmet and then come forward. Could you come closer, please?
So yun guys, dito yung working station nila. And dito nila hinuhol mo yung design ng kahoy. And ayan, makikita mo naman si Kuya. Busy sa pagpukpok. Alam mo, grabe diba? Galing niya.
Malalaking ano po yan sa mga babae. Yung mga maliliit na details sa lalaki.
Itong kay Kuya, ini-sketch nata niya, oh. Yan, dina-drawing nila bago nila parang may guide, para may guide sila. Ayan, oh, diba? Galing niya. Oh, galing. Ito naman guys, scale model ng building. Kaya lang di pa tapos. Feeling ko okay, natapos din nila ito. Ito yung maliit na version ng sanctuary. Ayan.
This is the real one that's used for the picture together inside there, but this one is smaller than inside the one. Let me give you. So here, actually, this is the point of view. You can see the whole building from here, but now we have some right here. Yes. Afterwards, if you want to come back, you can come back here and you can come explore around by yourself and see my forward, okay? And now here for other group English study tour, we're gonna go inside and explore together. Please follow me this way. Okay, follow me.
Grabe, oh, yung design talaga, no? Kahit saan sulok may design, eh. Tingnan mo. Oo. Grabe guys.
Galing. Ang galing naman talaga. Ang ganda.
About Ramayana story. Ramayana story.
Ako'y naka-ayos. Wow.
Gawin
This one represents Ramayana story. For those who didn't know that, actually in the story Ramayana, there are two sides, good side and bad side. And you see that.
So yan, papasok na kami.
Okay.
Then, yan, grabe oh. Pati sa loob. Pero may mga ongoing ano pa, dinidesign pa nila. So hindi pa tapos yung construction talaga nito. Yan. Yung mga site pa rin na bakante yung design. Pero sa labas, tapos na halos. Yung sa loob na lang. Yan.
You can wait for me inside the room.
Maganda magpa-picture dito.
Inside is also yeah, the whole, like the whole tree. Like for example, these columns here, we use three trees. Three purpose, okay? Don't be serious because someday good, someday not. Yeah, I already checked there. Monday not that good.
Ito yung may part pa na ginagawa, poste. So yun, mga dalang poste yata.